Sensitivity is simply a trait that people tend to be born with. It's probably significantly genetically determined. And the more sensitive you are, the word sensitivity itself comes from the Latin word for feeling. For, the sensere means to feel. So the more sensitive you are, the more you feel. Now, the more you feel, of course, the more you absorb and sense and get in tune with the environment, which is what artists do. Poets, artists, actors, creators of, sculptors, actors, dancers. It's like they have these antennae out that just pull in energies, which really promotes what you call the superpower of creativity. But that same sensitivity also makes them more susceptible to pain, because the same touch that would be experienced as trivial by somebody less sensitive really might hurt the sensitive person. So when you get sensitivity combined with trauma or stress, you get a lot more need to protect yourself. Hence the high rate of addiction amongst, say, actors and musicians. Because they're the sensitive people, they're hurting more.
Yeah.
They have more of a need to escape from their addictions. And you get one Hollywood story after another of some big star divulging their addiction so that same sensitive temperament in a supportive, loving environment just becomes a wonderful, creative leader, joyful, intuitive person. But in an unsupportive environment, they become more distorted, more hurt, more defensive. The creativity doesn't go away, but the creativity starts to serve the personality. And so you look at all these great artists and actors and musicians who their creativity was so amazing that it leads them to stardom. But on a personal level, they just die, and sometimes literally they die. And there's so many examples of it.